Hello, good evening. Welcome back to this recap session. And we'll be going into the charts to see what today gave us. You mean? Okay. On XAUSD, I said in the morning during the 4 hour session, I said the 4 hour session during the morning session rather. I said I'm looking forward to see selling opportunities, after this break here. And I did someone here in the evening or during the day. Yeah, someone here at noon. You can see the candle right here, this bullish candle right here, and this engulfing form. Yeah, this week is a little above this white candle. This week did go above the week of this white candle. If I zoom in, you see that very well, and you can see it's a little higher. So I took the sell, and that's a loss on good today. Though I'm still looking for opportunities to sell. I had minus 0.5 on good today, you know, and it was just like a pip away from getting one ratio one. I have my alert around here. It was not triggered, so I could not break even before the loss, and that was that today. Let me just delete the alert on XAUSD. On Euro USD, Euro USD started at the very early hour of the day. You can see this break right here. From that moment, I've been looking for opportunities to buy, yes, to place a bullish order on Euro USD. And this, I did see one in the morning around here. It was playing well, kind of. I think I did break even, yes. I broke even on Euro USD. Let me see. Yes, I did one. Yeah, I did break even on Euro USD this morning. And, you know, price came back, took out the entry around there. And I was even on this. It was not a loss, though. I lost a little to spread and, you know, but in general, I'm still looking for opportunities to buy on Euro USD because of this break right here on the 4 hour. So I'm expecting price to still rally up very well. And on the USD JPY, the next pair, I posted this yesterday saying I'm expecting a breakout, and you can see market is really rallying up. Though I seem to have no entry on this regarding the entry model, the bullish engulfing candle. And if you're new to the channel, kindly go through the video uploaded. You have better understanding of what we are talking about. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you know it helps the channel. Okay, on GBP card today, GBP card, I was looking for entries after this sell right here. I was looking for another opportunity to sell. The candle formation was not there, so there was no trade on GBP card today, and we are still very bearish on GBP card. On TBBAD also, I said yes, since there's a close above this high on the 4 hour, it was just weeks. Yes, just these 2 weeks testing the high, and there's no candle close above it. Nobody closed above it, and so looking for opportunities to sell. Though I'll be expecting price to come up a little, probably. If not, uh, this is a new high here, so it's just come up a little into this zone. Let's say this is not the right thing. Okay, let's say into this area and continue, because if it's break this high right here, this is the new protected high right now. Yeah, because it's responsible for taking this place out, and if it did break this high, I'll start looking for bullish opportunities. But if price is within this range here, and I can spot the bearish engulfing candle form, it's a very good opportunity to sell. On ADUSD, ADUSD, since this break on the 4 hour that took out this long protected high here, have been bearish and looking for opportunities to sell on. Wow, this is one right here. This one just formed and looks like did look like a good entry. But I already did my maximum loss today. I had two losses today, so I won't be taking this position. But this is a very good entry right here. That's like 5.6 pip, and your 1:5 should be around this. That's it. That's 1:5. So I'm expecting this to fall. That's a very good entry spot right there. But no for me because I already did minus 0.1 today. And the next pair is GBP USD. Rise from this moment, right from this place on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we broke down. I already did the analysis in the morning, and you can just go over the video, you know. And this moment right here, there's a break to the downside. You can see, and there was no bearish engulfing candle formation on GBP USD, so there was no entry today. And the next pair is USD card. USD card also, I was really expecting this candle to close below this candle. You can see the wick did take out this high formed by this bullish candle. I was expecting the body to close below it. That would have been a very good opportunity to sell, but no. So there was no trade on USD card also. USD card, we are still on the downside. We are looking for opportunities to sell since this break on the 4 hour. And the last pair today, which I also had lost this morning, that was the two position I took this morning on USD CHF and Euro USD. On USD CHF here, this eye is still protected for me, and this is the formation of the candle on the 4 hour, but it looks very large. And let me see, although that's going to be a loss, the short, yeah, that's close to like 20 pips, but that's a little over my ideal stop loss. I do 20 pips, and so I'm in the position. But this on the 4 hour, let's see, no, that's the wrong one. On the 4 hour, the sell order, let's see how wide this entry is. Oh, that's like 18.3. This is a good one on the 4 hour. If you did 1:1 here, you'll be even by now. If you're like me that do break even at 1:1, I have my stop loss at the entry here, and prices seem to be running. But this can still give you 1:5. Yeah, very good 1:5. This can still give the 1:5. This is a very good entry right here. I'm just gonna leave it there on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour, I do take this loss. Yeah, I took this loss in the morning. You can see this is the candle formation also on the 1 hour. You can see the bullish candle right here. Then the next black candle that did engulf it and took out the high formed by the candle. Then boom, I didn't do 1:1. I was just a few pips away too before my alerts could get triggered, and I did hit the stop loss. So this was the second loss I had today. And I had one on XAUSD. I broke even on Euro USD, and this is the second loss here. So this is the last pair for this evening. Thank you for joining. And like I did say, there was a good opportunity I spot on. Was it ADSD right now? Yeah. So let's see what's going to happen. I have the entry level set there, and it's a no for me because I already did -1 today. I mean -1%, and that's the benchmark for the maximum drawdown daily. Personally, thank you for joining today. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. West African time. Bye.